Be ready 5 seconds.
Water is one of the most important things in our life. We cannot live without it. All living things need it. Humans, animals, and plants all need it every day. But now, many big cities in India are facing water crisis. It means that there is not enough water for everyone. This is a very bad situation and can cause a lot of trouble. In many big cities, people do not get clean water. Some places do not even get water for many hours in a day. In some places like Chennai, people wait near taps for long hours, hoping water to come. When it comes, it is not always clean. Sometimes it is dirty and not safe to drink. People get sick because of this. Many children fall ill due to dirty water. Old people also suffer due to this. The lack of clean water makes life very hard. In some towns, water comes only for 1 or 2 hours in a day. People must fill many pots and buckets during this short time. They store water for the whole day. This is not easy. It takes time and hard work. In some houses, people even fight over water. This happens more in places where many people live close together. There is not enough water for all, and that makes people angry and upset. The water crisis is not just in poor areas. People who have big houses in rich areas of city also worry about water supply. However, it is not as severe as in poor areas. Sometimes even rich people have to buy water from trucks. These trucks bring water from distant places. Not everyone can afford to buy it. Some people spend a lot of their income just to get water. There are many reasons which are resulting in this water crisis. One big reason is that the number of people living in cities is growing rapidly. Number of people moving from villages and towns to find work is increasing day by day. But the water supply does not grow with the people. The system is old and cannot give water to all. Many pipes are broken. There are leaks everywhere. Water gets wasted because of this. When pipes leak, clean water goes into the ground and is lost. Another reason is that water is not saved. People use too much water. They leave taps open. They use water for things that do not need much. In some places, people use clean water to wash cars. This is not good when there is not enough for drinking and cooking. People must learn to conserve water. Every drop is important. In some big cities, lakes and ponds that once gave water are now gone. They are either filled with waste or filled with soil to erect buildings. When it rains, the water cannot go into the ground because the land is now covered with roads and cement. This stops rainwater from going into wells. So, the ground does not have enough water. This causes a fall in the water table. In the past, people could dig a small well and find water. Now they must dig very deep, and still there is not much water. Factories also cause problems. Many of them throw dirty waste into rivers and lakes. This makes the water dirty and harmful. People who live near these places cannot use this water. The air and soil also become bad. Some farmers use this water for crops, but the food that grows is not healthy. It can harm people who eat it. Rain is the main source of water. But in recent years, rain has not come on time. In some places, it rains too little. In other places, it rains too much in a short time, causing floods. When rain is not regular, water supply suffers. Farmers cannot grow food. Towns do not get enough water from rivers. This is because of changes in climate. These changes are mostly caused by humans. Cutting trees, using too many cars, and too much emissions from factories all add to this problem. The water crisis is not a small problem. If it is not solved, it can become worse. Summer seasons are the worst. During this time, in some cities of India, people have to stand in long queue to buy water they require for daily use. This takes a lot of time and energy and money. Sometimes people cannot go to work because they are busy getting water. In the future, if this problem grows, people may fight over water. There are some steps that can help. People can save rainwater. This is called conserving rainwater. When it rains, water can be kept in tanks or can be made to go into the ground. This helps the water table rise again. Some houses have started doing this. Schools and offices can do the same. If many places do this, the water crisis can be reduced. Cleaning and refining dirty water and using it again is another way. Used water from baths and kitchens can be cleaned and used for other things like washing or watering trees. This is called recycling water. Big buildings and factories should do this. It will save clean water for drinking. The local bodies in the cities also have to act quickly. They must fix the old water pipes. They must stop people from wasting water. They must stop people from throwing waste into rivers and ponds. They must build more tanks and ponds to keep water. They must plant more trees. Trees help bring rain and keep the earth cool. People also must change their habits. Everyone must use water with care. Taps must be closed when not in use. Leaks must be fixed. Water must not be wasted. Even small things help. If each person saves one bucket of water every day, it will help a lot. Schools must teach children the value of water. They can convey the same to their family members.